I think that it's really important to kind of change it up. Like I said, every once in a while, I'll have breakfast and lunch. Sometimes I'll have lunch and dinner. I think it's important to kind of mix it up a little bit to kind of give your body, and sometimes throw in some 8 hour. If you're used to doing 8 hour fast, sometimes do an 8 hour fast, then turn it around and do a 1 hour fast, but a 1 hour eating window, a 24-hour fast. So just kind of really changing it up, I think works really well if you're trying to lose weight. So I guess the biggest thing is, what's your goal? Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to have autophagy? Are you trying to heal your body? But I still think changing it up every once in a while, it's kind of like going to the gym. If you go to the gym and you're doing the exact same thing all the time, your body gets used to it. And I don't like that portion of it.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waist Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waist Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the Fasting Reset Summit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.